We're going to take this out. We're going to take it out, swivel it off. We'll measure the distance. I'm going to use the distance off the other one. Break it off, align it to which side, half tank, full tank, and then we'll adjust it. I'm going to use the same size as the new one. So I guess you take these, slide these legs up. You can take these off. You can put them back on in a minute. Go ahead and take this off. We're going to need it off anyway. Get this off real quick. So we need this to be right here. So we need this chipped off right here. Now, here's the thing. Take that off. And you measure again. I'm gonna snap mine right here. It looks like it snaps right there. Alright. Same distance. And we can put this back on if we want. Just and put these rubbers back on there. Alright. I'm gonna put this in here. The one towards the back is the full flush. This in here, like so. Alright. Holding it with my thumb. Let me make sure that those are on there good. Put this on. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.